Fefdy.
Number line.
Do you know how to count on a number line, kiddos?
Yes, Dad. I know how to count by using a number line, but only until 100.
Okay, little ones, let me teach you how to count forward after 100. Counting forward. From any starting point, continue by adding 1 to the previous number. By adding 1 to 100, 100 plus 1, 0 plus 1 equal to 1. 0, 1, 101. Likewise, adding 1, 101 plus 1, 1 plus 1 equal to 2. 0, 1, 102, 102 plus 1, 2 plus 1 equal to 3. 0, 1, 103, 103 plus 1, 3 plus 1 equal to 4. 0, 1, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108. Example 1. 146 plus 1, 147, 147 plus 1, 148. 148 plus 1. What comes next? 148 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 4, 1. 149. By adding 1 to 148, the missing number is 149. The numbers on a number line increase as 1 moves from left to right. Example 2. 196 plus 1, 197. 197 plus 1, 198. 198 plus 1. What comes next? 198 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 9. 1. 199. 199 plus 1. What comes next? 199 plus 1. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So we will put 0 down and carry over the 1. Then 9 plus 1 is 10. Put 0 down, carry over 1. Then 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 200.
In 2-digit, we learnt backward counting. Also, how can we perform 3-digit backward counting in number line, Dad?
Counting backward. From any starting point, continue by subtracting 1 to the previous number. By subtracting 1 from 119, 119 minus 1, 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. 1, 1. So the number is 118. 118. Likewise, 118 minus 1, 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. 1, 1. 117. 117 minus 1, 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. 1, 1. 116. 116 minus 1, 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. 1, 1. 115. 114. 113. 112. 111. Example 1. 199 minus 1, 198. 198 minus 1, 197. 197 minus 1. What comes next? 197 minus 1. 7 minus 1 equal to 6. 9. 1. It's 196. The number on a number line decrease as one moves from right to left. Example 2. 504 minus 1, it's 503. 503 minus 1, 502. 502 minus 1, what comes next? 502 minus 1, 2 minus 1 equal to 1, 0, 5. 501. 501 minus 1, what comes next? Minus 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, 0, 5. 500.
Wow, Dad, that's so amazing. We also know how to count forward and backward now.